Hello iPhone users, watch this. So this is my home screen and it doesn't just rotate. If I click on any app, it will take me straight to that app. So now sit back, relax, and let me show you how to do this. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Also, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And please help us share this video so that other iPhone users can actually learn this iPhone feature. To do this, first you need to take a screenshot of an empty background of your screensaver, and in order to get that empty background, you long click on your screen and then you move to the next slide. You will get an empty background. Just take a screenshot and now you move to the app, because we'll be using this quickie widget app, so you have to actually download the app. So when you open the Widgets app, you would see something like that. Click on transparent and now add the screenshot you took. So that is the first step. Now go back and click on large. There you would find things like this. So you have different features, you have different options. You can use any of these options. If you don't want to use that particular one I used, you can use any of this option. It is not actually a must to use the one I used, but I'll be using that one for this video. So I'll just click on it, and then in that plus icon you can add whatever thing you want to add, whatever app you want to add. You can also edit these ones that are here and replace it with any one you want. So I'll just be using my camera. I'll be adding my camera since I'm always using it. So after that, you can change the background by clicking on background picture. That photo icon you're seeing there, click on it. It asks you to give it access to your pictures. When you do, you can select any picture you want. So I'll just be selecting from my favorite. So you can select any picture you want, and with that you've changed the background. So you just toggle on these two things and then you click on save. So go back now and click on large and you would see what you just saved. So after that, you can now go down to your home screen. On your home screen, now add your widgets. Long click on your home screen, then click on that plus, and then you move down to this part. Long press edit widget and click on add widget. Now when you click on add widget, it will take you here. Then you click on it again and you turn on is it transparent, and then now you go to select widget and click on choose. When you click on choose, it's going to bring out what we did just now, and then you just click on it and then there you have it. So now you can move it. You can either leave it up like this or you can move it down. You can do that in the settings where we just came out from, or you can long click on it and then move it either up or down, so any of the above. So I'll prefer it up so that the picture would still be intact. So that is all for that. I hope you enjoyed this this class or this lecture. So now I'm just going to click on my camera and you would see it to take me straight down to photos, camera, and all of that. And also I can also click on my notes and it will take me straight down to my notes. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I hope you like that. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you know. Also, let us know if you find this video interesting, and let us know if you've tried it or you're about trying it now. And